Hey guys, today's going to be a little wild hack to improve the sole lifespan on your boots. If you're like me, you hate spending $300 on a new pair of work boots, let alone $150 to resole them. And I'm not going to resole these. I can already tell the insides are splitting a little bit, but I want to get through winter, and these are, you can't really tell too much. Yeah, you can see right there, they're pretty much slick. So today's hack, we're going to try to get $150 worth of more use out of these by cutting new treads in the sole. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm constantly fiddling with things to get the most money and use out of things that I have, so I don't have to buy more crap or throw more things into our landfills. There's a lot of ways to repurpose things and a lot of ways to get creative on improving things, and that's what I'm all about. Okay, so to fix these soles up, I was going to use the bandsaw, but I realized not everyone has a bandsaw, so I'm going to use some utility knives. Now this knife, you can't really adjust how far that blade sticks out, so I might just use that for some final trimming. This one though, I can set to 2 different depths that are reasonable to work with. I'm gonna start with this one, see how it goes. And I can just, I could get all crafty and try to repeat the pattern in there. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some sort of angled, I'm gonna go a little deeper, some angled cuts and cut some V shapes out of here. And what do I have to lose? Just an old pair of boots that I'd slip and fall in the winter anytime anyway, right? So here we go. So we'll go like that. Got 3, let's do 4. Let's do a couple up here too. There we go, okay. I probably don't need to go any further than that. And then let's reverse that, going into the cut I did from the opposite direction. And that should take a nice little chunk out of there. You can see. Do it here. Two. Okay, it's not beautiful, but that's gonna give me really good snow traction. And I might even do a little bit on the heel, but actually it's only gonna grip forward and back. So let's put some sort of cross members in there so that I get a little bit of lateral stability. Okay. Oh, one more. Look at that. I think that's even better than the tread that came on these in the first place. So I'm going to go ahead and work on the heel and do the other side as well. There you go. That's retreaded soles that are probably even better in the snow than the original treads. And all of 5 minutes to do that. That's a good way to get an extra winter out of your boots for 5 minutes of time. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be making more of them.